Alright everybody, in this video we will be finishing up the Beamer. So let's go and put the drive shaft and transmission in, and the starter. And the exhaust. Apparently I sold the drive shaft. Starter. Let's go get the exhaust put on. Everything under the car is done. I honestly might keep this car. Flip the radiator. I feel like I'm missing something. Guess not. Now, unfortunately, y'all will not be able to hear the car start up. Hopefully, soon you will be able to. Alright, all the fluids are filled. Put it outside. And there she is. All done. Let's see if she runs. He's not running. Did I forget something? Alright guys, I'll be back. Let me figure out why it's not running. Alrighty, I totally forgot to put the alternator on. But it does run. So, alright everybody, that is the end of this BMW series. And I will see you all in the next one.